Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Defender 110 X-Dynamic SE with an eye-catching Santorini Black exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Defender also comes fitted with LED headlights, 20-inch gloss black. Heading over to the back of the Defender now, we're just going to take a look at some more of that gloss black badging as well as the electrically deployable tow bar. Then opening up the tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. Stepping inside the Defender now, we've got the Meridian sound system as well as the electric window controls, driver seat memory function and blind spot assist. Also coming fitted with electric front seats as well as a slide-in panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then coming up to the digital driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the 2-zone climate control and the extremely responsive Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Defender now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.